Hello everyone, today's November 6th, it's a Friday, and there's a Trade Scalper signal short.
Order filled.
3,550 using the Trade Scalper method and software to help me enter the market short. Now a couple things. First, don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Don't trade with the rent money. Have a stop. I have a stop there at 3504 and I have a target at 34.98 quarter. It's based off the ATR. Don't trade with the rent money. Don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Okay? So there's risk involved with trading. You should practice first. We do provide a practice simulator and it's free. So what do you have to lose? You just install it and start learning how to trade with live data. And then when you're ready, after you ask all your questions, you move forward and you open up an account and you begin to trade with one contract, not 5 or 10. You can see there using 5 contracts, there's a lot of money made or lost. So you start slow and small and you grow from that point forward. The second thing is when you look at price action, you should not be using moving averages or MACDs or a combination of 3 moving averages and MACD and stochastic and momentum and all those things that don't work. Price action is what you should be trading. You should be practicing. You should be having enough screen time to understand what you're doing. There's different types of orders, market of touch, there's limit orders, there's stop stop with limit orders. There's a lot involved. Most of the traders that I work with the mentorship program, they learn all the basics, plus all the software is included, which is important because you don't want to trade alone and by yourself unless you know what you're doing and you have the signals to help you take these trades. It's not easy to trade. You don't just turn on the computer and press the buy and the sell button and expect it all to happen. So for those of you who think that this is instant millions overnight, it's definitely not the case, right? You have to practice and you have to understand what's happening. The third thing is that once you learn how to trade and you are consistent with one contract, that's when you increase the number of contracts. You start slow with 1, you go to 2, you go to 3, and once you hit about 4 or 5 contracts, I think that if you're consistent, you will have it made. You don't have to worry about the constant struggles with a 9-to-5 job. You trade a few hours a day, few trades a day, and you're done.
Target filled.
If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.